Exit dive.
With you taking them out.
Wait, why are you making a left into why? What are you doing? You don't make a left into that one. You make a left into the one to the left. That's how it works. Stop it! Red light, run. Uh-oh. It looks like someone's getting pulled over. Oh, well. Sucks to be you. I guess he was speeding. Red light, run.
They are headed towards the 24-24.
Really?
At Penfield Stadium. At the same time, the same nights, the Mets will be playing in Atlanta in 3.
No, stop. Really? Red light, run, screwbaroo. Really? Another one. And you got a camera on your head too. Folks, fans at the family reunion. Red light, run. Medina Construction something or other. Bad. Stop it. Hopefully your boss is not watching this. Red light, run.
The garage. Michael, without knowing he did so, smiled.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
That came off him like cool smoke off ice, sobered their laughter and snuffed out their familiar friendliness. When
No, stop.
He had their proper respectful attention.
Fiction. He called himself a romantic writer with sympathy for the devil. He felt
Yeah,
that
hi.
they were far more criminal than the mafia.
How you doing?
Especially the Hollywood movies.
Look to the right before you when you get the wave of death.
Screenplays for many movies, he had learned how poorly the writer was treated. The moguls would cheat you blind if you let them. A few years later, The Godfather won.
What are you doing, dude?
Screenplay Oscars and he studied. But he had a sense
People.
of how his character
When you look in the Bible, there's advocacy
No, stop.
for systems and for rules.
That's dataoverdogmapod.com. And we'll talk to you again next week.
Bye, everybody.
Really?
Data Over Dogma is a member of the Airwave Media Podcast Network.
Oh, nice cutoff. Exit dive. Dave. All asshole drivers are named Dave.
I'm a genius. Oh, you know what this one? You're a taxpayer, right?
Assign applicants to not pay a fee. USCIS is
Nice cutoff.
by fees of applications for visa.
Nice cutoff. Really? And we got an exit dive by the motorcycle guy. Red light run. You know what? Screwboro, because I merged into that right lane. Yeah. You wonder why no one was in the right lane. He was behind me in this lane, and then he merged over there. Idiot. Nope. Oh, really? Time for the left turn. Stupid. Stop it. Meso left. Hello? Screwboro. You're lucky I was going for the right turn lane. Really? You ran over. Get out of the way. Good job.
They go and take that ratchet over and stuff. And one thing that
No stop.
I like to point out is when it comes to Trump and denouncing him as an immoral piece of shit, right? Like, believe what you want about
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Design would not involve destructive genetic mutations. The American college
Red light run. Red light run. Safe flight will replace your windshield if they hit you when they run the red light. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No. If we are in that dumb state of Connecticut, only dumb people drive there. I'm glad I'm never going back there again. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video. Actually, it's not really sucky. It's allowed here. We're on I-490. We're just outside of Rochester. Yeah, Syracuse sucks too. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!